Hey, family of YouTube, how you doing? Bob the Lantern Guy calling in from downtown Thousand Oaks. Sorry for the appearance here, but it is like 1:30 in the morning. Alright, one of these pain scales off the Richter scale is like 15/10 on the pain from the neck down. Can't sleep. Alright, anyways, introducing my Blizzard. I've had this bad boy since 1998, 21 years. Of course, one of the first ones I had bought from you out there in Saugus. What I did, oh yeah, by the way, Cheryl's not here. Okay, Cheryl's not on the phone. It's 1:30 in the morning. Sorry guys. But last few days, just been going through, cleaning her up. Let me see, buffed up the cap, made the cap nice and shiny. Let me see if I can do this without tearing this apart. But if you can see the burner is just like really super clean. Clean that up, shiny, got it almost shaved in it. The globe, my Lord have mercy, I have not broke this out in forever. Like it's been like 10 years since I picked it up, or whatever. On the globe, H20 lock knob, patent 3-10-14 with Blizzard on it. So this is the original globe for the Blizzard number 2. In the front, fits all, New York, USA. Yes, there are some dates on to the right of the cap, air tube halfway up. No, I'm not going to scrape off the paint to look at the dates. Okay, but there are dates in here. This bad girl here is just like rocks. I forgot how bright this one is. We light it up. We can check it out. 5/8 wick, cotton wick in there, 8-inch long. The burner is just, oh my Lord, I love it. God, even the burner is just shining. If you can see, I don't know. I have no idea if you can see that at all. But yeah, I did some steel wool to it, clean up the font, clean up the air tubes, clean up the top. Got a bunch of dirt and grunge off of it. It's just been sitting, just sitting. Okay, let's check this bad boy out. Let me turn the light off here. All right, reach up. And also, check this out. Check this out. Remember this little copper reflector I made with the mirror in the back of it? Okay. Are you ready? I don't know how good you can see me right now, but check this out. We are talking like ultra bright. God, I can see the reflection on the camera over there on my Kindle right now. Pretty nice. But yeah, been working on this, cleaning it up, and I'm really impressed. Really impressed with the work that came out on this. I just wanted to jump in this morning, show off a little bit, get some light going, and that's about it. But I hope you enjoy this. The Blizzard number 2. Yeah, there it goes. I'm trying to center this thing up so there we go. It looks pretty center. But yeah, so kicking out some max light this morning. And before I did this video, I had all the lights off in here. And this thing is producing some good light this morning. Really is. I forgot how bright this thing is. But enjoy. Bob the Lantern Guy, downtown Thousand Oaks. I hope you like the Blizzard in Thousand Oaks. Amen.